So here's your machine. The whooping. So that's the machine, that's the whooping right there. So it comes with a manual. Here, make sure you go through the manual. Also comes with 2 free lubricants, as you can see. And this is the remote, very sleek, very wonderful, very beautiful remote. It comes with this rope thingy that you can just put your hand here so that you don't lose the remote for comfort and convenience. This is very thoughtful. Of course, it comes with an Allen wrench or Allen key. This is for tightening these parts here on the machine. The bolts that we have here, here, and here. Yes, for tightening these rods here, here, and here. Over time, like let's say 2 years in or 3 years in, the machine might become loose in these regions here and here. So you just come here with the Allen key. You come, you get your Allen wrench, plug it here, then you just tighten here. Yes, you tighten. Same with the other direction. You tighten. You tighten to the right or clockwise, you loosen the other direction. Another function of this Allen key is when the belt, rarely happens, but sometimes it might happen, the belt might move from one side to the other side, maybe from left to right or right to left, basically becoming uneven. So you just come here, you loosen these bolts, then you move it with your hands. Then you let it run until it aligns itself. Then now you tighten. Another way, you can just loosen, then let it run on itself. Some machines can just align themselves when you just loosen here and let it run slowly. They just align themselves. Then when you see it's aligned correctly, you just come and tighten. It's a very slick machine and very light, very colorful. I like it. Let's move on to testing the machine. There is an on button here. Now it's on. This is the beautiful remote. Wow, very sleek. There's some velvet thing here. Woo, this is nice. I think so far of all the remotes I've seen regarding walking pads, this is the most beautiful one ever. Let me remove the seal. This is the seal. It's supposed to prevent usage of the battery while the machine is in transit. Then let's see what we have here. On. Very sleek. Wow, very smooth. So lubricating the treadmill, you just come here, you pinch. This is the belt. Beneath the belt, you have the flow. Belt, flow. So you're going to lubricate here or here. So you just come here, you pinch here, then you pour the lubricant here. Not a lot of lubricant. Yes. Let me see. Let me see. That should be enough. This lubricant is very thick. This bottle is running low, but it's very thick. So you don't put a lot. A lot of lubricant might damage the machine. Kaka kanaisha. Yeah, so that. This one, almost. So I'm not putting a lot of lubricant. Hii ndio kameisha haka. So that's why I'm taking a lot of time pressing it down. But basically I've chosen 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4. The same on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. And just put a smear here, 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 a smear here, 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 here. After lubricating the machine, we let it run at a low speed for up to 5 minutes. And low speed is anything below 3 kilometers per hour. So just start, let it run at a low speed. This allows the oil to be evenly distributed throughout the entire machine, throughout the entire belt system. Yeah. Something else to note about this machine, it has a small incline. Yeah, you'll see it has a kind of small incline. Haiko flat kabisa, iko hivi kidogo, maybe around maybe 5 degrees. Another special feature about this machine, the wool pink, as you can see from the remote, it has a mute function here. So you can mute it, and this allows you to press the buttons, add the speed with no noise. So with let's unmute it so that you can hear the opposite. So that is how it sounds when not muted. But when I mute it, you just add the levels noiselessly. So let me finally test the machine for you. On the machine, let's go. Let me get a feeling of the machine. Okay. Okay. Wow. Okay. It's good. So far, so good. That's a 3.5. Let me lower the speed. I like to start slow. Yes. That's the slowest. Let's go up now to the maximum speed. That's the maximum speed. Okay. Let me see. This allows me to feel the strength of the machine, how hard it is as I press my toes. It's actually a good machine, yeah. So there is everything, the remote, the lubricants, and the Allen wrench. This machine has come with this pipe for lubrication. So just remove this tip here. Ilikuwa hivi. Just remove this tip like that. Hii unaweka hivi. Alafu unaweka oil hapa. Unaona? Unafinya. Unafinya oil ingie huku. Again, remember, first smear, second smear, third smear, fourth smears. Kidogo tu, kidogo. Because too much lubrication will damage the motor. So kidogo tu, don't overdo. A smear ni kama two drops hapa. 2 drops, 2 drops, 2 drops, 2 drops, 2 drops, 2 drops, 2 drops. Then how often should you lubricate? That's a good question. Lubricate after every 2 months if you're using the machine daily. If the frequency is not that consistent, lubricate after every 3 months. Again, I repeat, after every 2 months, lubricate once. Then if you're not using it every other day, you can lubricate it after every 3 months.